Check it out, man. We got these two new Wahl Legends in. They are limited edition. Wahl Pro just sent these to me last week. I did a little video on Instagram and TikTok, really just showing the clipper. But in this video, we're actually gonna be unboxing these tools. I'm gonna read some of the stuff on it, let y'all know what I think about it. You know, my first impressions before I actually use them. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. All right, man, so like I was saying, Wahl sent your boy the new Legend Plus. I believe that's what it's called, the Legend Plus. As y'all can see, they're limited edition. We have them in a nice army green, and then we got that nice purple as well. Like I said, I did do a little video on Instagram for them, so here is the army green one. Check that out. Y'all can check out that blade. We got the little black lever on there. But check it out, that's the green one. But before we get into actually looking at the rest of the tool, I know y'all interested in what some of the stuff on the box says. I know y'all interested in what else comes in the box. So I'm actually gonna be unboxing this one for you since I already opened up the green one. Let's go ahead and start reading some of the stuff on the box so we can get a better idea of what's gonna come with this clipper and what this clipper's about. So on the front of the box, it says soft line fading and seamless blends, Legend Plus cord/cordless clipper, all metal housing. So if you have the previous cordless Wahl Legend, you know that it is plastic. It's basically like a magic clip with a longer lever, but this one is all metal, so it is a little heavier. But nonetheless, like I was saying, let's go ahead and continue reading some of the stuff on here. So on this side, it says 6,700 RPMs, up to 80-minute runtime with a 60-minute charge time. It comes with two guards. You get the 1/16 and the 1.5. The new all-metal Cordless Legend Plus is built for barbers who need versatility and precision. Its powerful upgraded motor and uniquely designed wedge blade removes bulk with ease and creates smooth, soft lines. So like I said, it's got a wedge blade on there. It's got some crunch blade technology, premium all metal housing. That way, you know, it's gonna last you a little longer. 6,700 RPMs, LED indicator for the charge. High carbon steel blades with titanium and diamond-like carbon coatings are ultra strong, rust resistant, and remain sharp 4 times longer. Engineered for smooth fading and precise cutting performance. Extended fade range built for clean control tapering and longer styles. So it does got somewhat of a stretch lever on there. So check it out once again. This is the box for the purple one. And I do got the Legend Plus box for the green one as well. Y'all check those out. But let's go ahead and get into actually unboxing this clipper. So we're gonna take this out of there, and as you can see, we have another box that says Wahl on there. Let's go ahead and open this up for y'all. So as we open up the box, as you can see, well, y'all can't see nothing yet, but as we open up the box, you can see the clipper sits in there like that. I don't want to turn it, there we go. But the clipper sits in there like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take out this clipper for you before we move on to finish this unboxing. But as you can see, this is the clipper coming straight out the box. As you can see, we got this little plastic thing on there that I'm gonna take off for y'all. Comes with a blade cover. Let's go ahead and knock that off. So check that purple, that metallic purple color out on the Wahl Legend Plus. And then like I said earlier, we do have a green one as well. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these things on for y'all so y'all can see how these things sound. So as you can hear, that's the sound of the motor. I do want to say that it is an upgraded motor. You do get the Wahl Senior motor in this clipper, opposed to before. I think you got the old Magic Clip motor. So now that they have the Wahl motor, it is going to be stronger. So if you're looking for a stronger clipper, this one might be the one for you. But it does come with the wedge blade. I'm liking that black coating on there. As you can see on the side, it says Legend Plus. All metal clipper. You know what I'm saying? It does make it a little heavier, but it's not too bad. You know, just rocking with it right now. It doesn't feel too bad. But that's the clipper. As you can see, we have the charging dock, or I'm sorry, the charging port at the bottom as well. But let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the stuff inside the box. So we also get this box in here that basically is gonna have all the accessories. So let's go ahead and open it and see what else comes with the clipper. So we do get the charging cord, as you can see. And I'm gonna tell you one thing, man. Wahl do be coming through with their charging cords, man. They always have nice charging cords. And then it comes with the front piece not on there. I guess you just got to clip it on there. Let's see if I can do that real quick. All right, so you just clip it on there like so. Really easy to do. You just slide it in there and push it down and it clips on. But that is the charging cord for the clipper. We also get 2 guards. Oh, well, it says 2 guards, but I actually got 3 guards. I got the 1, the half, and the 1.5 guard in here. So that's dope. We get that. And then we also get a little cleaning brush and some oil. We get a little wall pamphlet that we ain't really even gonna look at. And then we get the wall comb right here. A lot of people like these combs. I ain't gonna lie, I've been using these a lot and I rock with them. But nonetheless, that's basically all that comes inside of the box for the new Wahl Legend Plus. And that's basically all you need. You know what I'm saying? Like, you might want guards, but as barbers, I feel like we probably already got guards on our station. But if not, if you're new to barbering and you wanted to get some guards, you are gonna have to purchase guards because this only comes with the half guard, the 1 and the 1.5. So you will need to actually purchase some guards. But nonetheless, man, once again, here is the Wahl Legend Plus. Check that out. Shout out to Wahl for sending this to me. If y'all do want to purchase these tools, you can go to wahlpro.com. Use my discount code TANK on their website to save yourself some money. But like I was saying, man, it does come with a stretch lever, meaning the blade opens up a little more than traditional clippers. And that's perfectly fine for me. I've been using clippers with stretch brackets anyway, and I kind of like them a little better. It all just boils down to preference. But, I'm pretty sure that most barbers who've been barbering for a while can cut with them. It may take a little time to get used to, but I think, it's not really that much of a big deal. And if you don't like your lever to open too much, all you got to do is not open it all the way. You know what I'm saying? Keep it, if this is all the way open, maybe just open it up to about right there, right? So with that being said, man, we're going to move on from that topic. But I do like the blade on here. Check out that blade. Nice looking wedge blade on there. Like I said earlier, it is a little heavier in hand compared to, their other tools, but it is an all metal tool, so it is going to be durable and it is going to last you a good while. I do like the colors on there. Like I said, we get that purple color and then that metallic green color, army green, whatever you want to call it. So we do got some nice colors on there. I'm not sure if these colors are going to chip. I don't think they will, but they might. Especially after prolonged use. But we gonna rock with these, man. You know how your boy's gonna do it. I'm gonna put these things to use and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about them. Not in this video, so if you are interested in that, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because, your boy do be dropping some banger videos. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. That way y'all know when I do drop that video of me actually giving y'all a review of these. Right now, I'm just giving y'all my first impressions, first thoughts, unboxing, and letting y'all know what comes in the box and whatnot, right? But nonetheless, man, they look pretty dope. I'm excited to try these. I know a lot of people online were saying Wahl's just coming out with the same thing. Wahl's just re-releasing the same clipper over and over and over. But like I said, if you've had a Wahl Legend before, the power on it wasn't that great. Like, I used the previous Wahl Legend some years ago. I don't even know how long it's been, but I used it a while back, and the power wasn't the greatest. As far as fading, you can fade with it, but I think it's really better for like detailing or like thinner hair. But with the upgraded motor in this, I'm really excited to see how these things work and see how much stronger they are. See if I could really get a full haircut done with no issue at all. And I will be letting y'all know in my next video about these tools. But nonetheless, man, that's basically everything that comes in the box. You get 3 guards, you get some oil and a cleaning brush, the pamphlet, and the charger. And just FYI, I do want y'all to know that these do fit on the charging docks. Like if you have a magic clip charging dock, or if you got the Wahl power strip, I forgot what it's called, but the three inserts for 3 different charging docks. If you have the magic clip charging dock in there, these do fit on the charging dock for the Wahl magic clip. So I just wanted to put that out there for you in case you have one and you're thinking about buying it. They do fit, so you can put these on your station and charge them like that. But once again, I will be giving y'all an update on these. Give me about a week or so and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about these actual tools. Remember guys, if you do want to purchase these, you can go to wahlpro.com, use my discount code TANK on that website, and yeah, man, get yourself a little discount. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.